How TeckNexus Readiness Tools work, from industry-specific setup to expert scoring and strategic insights. Welcome to TeckNexus, where executives, network architects, operations teams, system integrators, OEMs, and consultants plan private network strategy with clarity and confidence. TeckNexus offers industry-specific readiness tools to help you evaluate digital infrastructure and private network maturity, covering automation, spectrum planning, budgeting, security, KPI, and more. In this walkthrough, we'll highlight the freemium version of the Manufacturing Readiness Tool, which includes 50 key questions covering selected readiness categories. The premium version expands to over 250 questions for deeper, expert-driven insights. In this demo, we'll show just a few sample questions to illustrate the process. Step 1. Select your industry and access level. Step 2. Create your profile to save your progress. In this example, we're logging in as Jason Keller, Director of Plant Operations at Edgeworks Manufacturing. Once logged in, give your assessment a name that aligns with your specific project or use case. Next, the guided assessment begins with one question per screen, designed for clarity and focus. Each answer feeds into a weighted scoring model developed by industry experts to measure readiness across critical areas. To save time in this demo, we're skipping ahead to the final question to show what happens next. After answering the final question, please make sure to save your responses. You do not need to save after each question, but you must save once you complete the last one. Next, press Submit your assessment. Please note, once you submit, you will not be able to make any further changes. After submission, the platform instantly generates your readiness results. You'll see a clear dashboard with your overall score, section breakdowns, and completion percentages, available for both freemium and premium users. Premium users also receive a detailed, expert-reviewed PDF report with insights and next step recommendations, delivered within 2 to 3 business days. Start your TeckNexus Private Network Readiness Assessment today for manufacturing, mining, utilities, and more. Visit www.technexus.com/solutions.